I should get a t-shirt or an apron that says onion night to wear when we do this.
Cook the potatoes and the carrots.
You know it.
That way they're soft, you know, just make sure they're nice and soft.
Aisha, I hope these are small enough for you.
Yeah, those are perfect. We're gonna saute them too first. I put up with 8 potatoes, I saved it.
That's so sweet.
We're gonna pour out and fighting with the carrots. These goes up for me.
You know what's a surprisingly good combination? Apple and onion.
Apple and onion. Oh.
So if you're doing a pork and you're making your own applesauce, throw some finely chopped onion in and it will enhance the flavor.
I believe it. Never thought of it, but I believe it, yeah. Huh?
That's a bad lady.
So I put a little bit of butter with it,
I hate the sunburn.
with the apples, and a little bit of brown sugar.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Teddy bear sprinkles.
Really?
Yeah. There's teddy bear sprinkles. That's so cute.
We're just gonna add a little bit of
Oh my
vanilla.
هویجی چی میخوان درست کنن؟ میگم هویج پلو درست کنن.
بالاخره یه چیزی درست کنیم توش یه چیزی در میاد، یه چیز خوشمزه در میاد. دست آنشی‌ها خوشمزه است.
No desire for children, eh? I have 2 friends like that.
Okay, but you're still my
Yeah, go ahead. And she's also said that
$5,000 a second.
she's also good because when she's writing, she gets really, really into it.
I like a chicken pot pie idea, but with ground chicken, a little cheaper.
Is this like a permit?
Community kitchen, yeah, usually there's more of us around. There's very few people didn't show up. And we cook together and
Maybe they either
give each other ideas, you know, for basically lower income cooking, you know, like a chicken pot pie with ground chicken instead of chunks of chicken. And you know, the pies are a lot cheaper to buy in pie form, pie crust.
this off
And you buy the $5 butter plus the butter plus the...
It's true. Yeah.
So,
Very good.
next time we're gonna make a stone soup.